If your Google TV has been slow, glitchy, or not just feeling as smooth as before, there's a very simple fix that most people ignore: updating it. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to update your Google TV the right way. From the home screen, locate settings. It's usually at the top right corner of your screen. Once you find it, click and then enter the main settings menu. Now scroll down slowly until you see system. Go ahead and select that. Inside the system menu, look for about and click on it. This is where most people stop, but this is actually where the real update process begins. Next, find system update and select it. Then choose network update. At this point, your TV will check if there is a new update available. If there is, you see the option to either download or check for update first before downloading. You can tap check for update if you want to confirm before installing. Once you are ready, click download. Now here is something a lot of people don't know. The update does not stop you from using your TV. The download can continue in the background while you watch your YouTube, Netflix, or do anything else you like. Once the download is complete, your TV may prompt you to restart and install the update. That is it. Keeping your Google TV updated helps improve performance, fix bugs, and sometimes even add new features you don't have before. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this.